time of year, you're not going to find drone. All right, you want to try that? And you might still might need the hive tool to try
Watch the
it.
bees, son. You gotta.
Yeah, just kind of slide it. Get it right in the center, right in the center of the frame. A little bit more towards me. Yeah, there you go. Now, just squeeze
it together.
All right, here, take and break it loose. That just makes it so much easier, especially the first one. Well, another reason I use 9 frame
on the end.
instead of 10. Well, Danny's out here looking for pollination.
On the very end,
he wants 10 frame.
On the very end.
I use 9 frame that separates them a little bit. I think you make more honey when doing it with 9 frame. And
get it in between the two. Like this. Watch him.
And you got less chance of rolling the queen.
Turn it around.
You're trying to make it. You can do it this
easy. Like that.
Once you break it loose, it'll come out.
Yeah. Now you can use a gripper.
Easy. Don't squish them.
It's a little humid in the hive. There you
go.
Keep it squeezed. There you gotta get some more gloves. Rude.
There's a pair of rubber gloves on the front seat of my truck if you want. Huh? I got some gloves.
All right, now just put it back in. Let it slide. Put her back over on this side.
Easy.
Yeah, right there. That's good. Now you can go ahead and do the other one. Yep. You're going to go for your certification. Part of this is you're going to be telling me all I've been telling you and some more. This is going to be, all right, what did you forget to do?
Oh, that's no fault. All right. Easy. There you go. You had it right? No, you had it.
Yeah, any way you want. It's just, I'll show you the little dip piece, like this.
If you stick
See,
it in,
you put it like that, it just makes it
turn.
it's a whole lot easier to do it. And then now you don't really need that gripper, so you just pull it back and you can grab it.
Easy. Brood and some honey.
Yeah. And they got some brood. Go ahead and slide it next to the other frame there.
Easy. Easy.
You got paper on the bees to kill.
Yeah. Kill a bunch of them.
All right, someone else take a turn.